We even have people suing each other over bad relationships now. Did you know that? Think I'm kidding? It's the truth. In fact, there's a woman in Wisconsin, I think it is, trying to get a law passed that if a man misleads a woman to get her into bed, like he tells her he's looking for a long relationship and he was really just fooling around, she can take him to court afterwards and sue him for damages. I kid you not. Now, is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, some guys say no, some women say yeah. I tell you what, ladies, they passed that law to be fair. This has to work in reverse. Yeah. Guys, if some woman comes on to you all hot and sexy just so you'll take her out, blow all your money on her, then she walks away, you can go to court and make her sleep with you. Of course, your lawyer gets 30%. That'd be tricky. We know lawyers, they would find a way, wouldn't they?
I opened up the letter from the lawyer to me. It said I represent the man who stole your color TV. While running home he tripped upon the cord and broke his arm. You should have had a sign somewhere to warn him of this harm. You left your window open, thereby tempting him to steal. So you're liable for the suffering and pain he had to feel. My client wants to go to court to settle this dispute. We've decided to demand $1 million in our suit. Everybody's got a lawyer, and the lawyers need to make their fees. They say they use their legal might to protect our legal rights, but mostly they take money from you and me. Everybody's got a lawyer, they got their clauses in everything. If you're in a legal bind, you know why justice is blind. The only color that a lawyer sees is green. I called another lawyer to review the evidence. For $50,000 he presented my defense. I thought for sure we'd win it, but then to my dismay, the judge declared me liable and he ordered me to pay. I said, Your Honor, don't you know the plaintiff is a thief? His Honor said, well, that's your fault. It said so in the brief. My lawyer said, don't worry, this decision isn't real. For another $50,000 I will file an appeal. Now back when people still believed in common sense, accidents could happen without negligence. But now any problem is a reason to sue. So what's a reasonably prudent person to do? I needed cheering up, and so I called that gal of mine. I said, let's go have dinner and a bottle of good wine. She said, that sounds attractive, but your offer must be firm. Have your lawyer call my lawyer and they'll settle on the terms. I said, but listen, honey, all I wanted was a date. She said, with lawyers everywhere, you must negotiate. They'll say you broke a contract, they'll say it was a tort. You have to be protected or you'll find yourself in court. Everybody's got a lawyer, and the lawyers need to make their fees. They say they use their legal might to protect our legal rights, but mostly they take money from you and me. Everybody's got a lawyer, they've got their clauses in everything. If you're in a legal bind, you know why justice is blind. The only color that a lawyer sees is green. The only color that a lawyer sees is green.